Today, I'll be spending a full day of traveling through a small town in Mexico called San Miguel de Allende, all by myself. And as someone not from this country, I do feel a bit like a fish out of water, but we will definitely still have a good time. As we'll be walking through the city of San Miguel getting breakfast, going through incredible art galleries, and some of which had prices that were even more incredible, definitely having some drinks, and getting into some trouble, getting some lunch at one of the best chicken restaurants in the world, going to the mall, getting completely blown away by the prices of everything, and more. So I started my day off by going for a nice little walk. The temperature was good, and I was a little hungry. Fortunately, in Mexico, you can get a bite to eat just about anywhere. And anywhere you decide to eat could end up being the best meal of your life. Luckily, the very first place I passed by was a bakery that sells some really delicious pastries. And grabbing a muffin sounded perfect. The muffin had like a lemony corn muffin flavor, and this thing really hit the spot. As I continued on my walk, I was immediately taken in by the local art galleries. The art I've seen in Mexico is generally very colorful and thought-provoking. I was even able to check out some art currently being made by a local artist in their studio, which is very cool to see. I also got the opportunity to see another artist painting a mural outside, which was such a treat. I have very little artistic ability myself, but I do appreciate art very much. And in this town, there is no shortage of art. So it's kind of like a dream come true for me. One of the cool things about the art from this region is that it actually has a lot of courage. This is true art. It's not about pandering, it's about expression. And that is what I like. On the other hand, I did see one store that was trying to sell some pieces that didn't really speak to me. And they wanted like 17,000 pesos or almost $1,000 USD for this little leaf bowl thing. And I realized I am way too poor to be anywhere near this place. So that was the end of my art gazing for the day. After that, I felt like it was definitely time for a drink. Is it 5 o'clock? Nope, not even close. In fact, when I went into the bar, it definitely appeared that the bar had just opened. I was actually the only one there except for the bartender. Did that stop me from sitting down and ordering a drink? Absolutely not. Today is my day off, and I'm making the best out of it. The bar actually had a really cool design to it with lots of old-timey pictures on the walls and wood paneling everywhere. But I didn't want to stay here for too long because as no other people walked through the door, I started to feel a little bit like an alcoholic. Also, the only food I had actually eaten today was just that muffin, and I wanted to give the beer in my stomach some company. So I decided to go to the best chicken restaurant I have ever been to and get a 3-piece combo meal. Well, actually, what I asked for was the D-Res combo, but the person on the other side of the counter had no idea what I was talking about and thought I was trying to say that I wanted a 3-piece combo, but I'm not a very picky eater, so I just went with it. But honestly, I had never had the D-Res here, but I had eaten the chicken here before, so I was sure I was going to like it anyways. Now, this place is small, and in fact, there's only one table, and I'm pretty sure it's just there for show. But that did not stop me from sitting there. I actually sat there and ate all that I could, and it was so good. After all the eating and drinking and walking in the hot sun, I had to go back to the house and take a nap. But when I woke up, I felt hungry and bored. So I decided to head to the mall to see what was going on there. And the malls in Mexico are always so lively and full of people. And as I was looking around the food court at the many options, I decided to get something I hadn't had in a very long time. I decided to get some McDonald's. Luckily, I was able to order food from a touchscreen monitor that had the option of spelling everything out in English, which I definitely used because my Spanish skills are not so great still. But I'm learning, just not right now while I'm hungry. I got the Mexico Burger Combo Meal because I had never had that before, and it's definitely something that is not available in the US. And even though I really don't like the idea of eating McDonald's on a regular basis, this really hit the spot. There was some bacon on it and some spicy sauce, and like in the US, the picture didn't really match what I was served. But that's to be expected, and it absolutely did not get in the way of me enjoying my meal. I actually ate everything on the tray. When I was finished, I decided to go for a little stroll through Liverpool, which is a department store that is not yet available in the US. All of the brand names were there, and there was no shortage of customers, which is normal. Actually, the only thing that was shocking there were the prices. Now, I'm not saying that these prices aren't the normal prices for here, but they're definitely not the prices I'm used to seeing. Maybe I really am poor. I honestly don't know anymore. But looking is free, so on my way home I decided to go to a little lookout point on the side of the road and overlook the city that I love so much. just check out this view. It truly is beautiful. And it's getting late, so I'll leave it there. Let me know in the comments where you're from, like the video, and please subscribe. Till next time.